So, you want to start a digital marketing side hustle? Let's get real about what it takes. Forget the beach laptop fantasy. Building something real takes time and effort. There's no magic button or overnight success. Anyone promising that is selling you a dream. The timeline? It depends on your skills, your time, and your willingness to learn. But I'll give you a clear roadmap. Think of this as a journey in phases: planning, strategy, content, ads, and tracking. Some steps are quick, like setting up an ad account. Others, like building trust, take longer. Every hour you invest is a building block for your future. This isn't a race. It's about smart, consistent action. By the end, you'll know exactly what to focus on and when. Ready to lay the foundation for something uniquely yours? Grab a notebook, let's dive in. Remember, everything is figure-outable, and feeling overwhelmed just means you're growing. We'll replace confusion with clarity and a plan. Let's break down the first, most crucial phase, your game plan. Here's how to start strong. Month 1 is all about building your foundation. Don't rush into content or ads. Start by getting clear on your niche. Who do you want to help? Local dentists? Life coaches? Etsy sellers? Get specific. Spend 2 weeks exploring and deciding. Clarity now saves months later. Next, define your ideal client. What do they want? What keeps them up at night? Create a detailed client avatar. Give them a name, a face, and a story. Now, craft your offer. Start with one core service that solves a real problem. Define what's included, the transformation, and your price. Research competitors, but price based on your value. Recap 2 weeks for niche, 1 week for client, 1 week for your offer. This month is about thinking and planning, not just doing. You're building a blueprint, not throwing spaghetti at the wall. This clarity is your launch pad. Next up, creating and connecting. With your plan in place, it's time to create content and build your presence. Focus on one platform where your ideal client hangs out. Don't spread yourself thin. For example, if your audience is on YouTube, batch your first 4-8 videos before launching. Address your clients' pain points directly in your content. Consistency is key. Publish once a week, every week. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, ask questions, and connect with others in your niche. Building trust takes time, but every interaction counts. Don't get discouraged by low views at first. Everyone starts at 0. This phase is about planting seeds and building a library of valuable content. Show up, provide value, and your audience will grow. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. The difference between success and failure? Consistency. Keep showing up week after week. You're building relationships, not just numbers. Now let's talk about ads. Ready to amplify your reach? Time for your first ad campaign. Setting up ads is less intimidating than it seems. You can do it in a week. Start small. Set up your Meta Business Suite account, add payment, and install the pixel. Watch a tutorial if you need help. Don't rush this step. Design a simple, authentic ad. A Canva graphic or a short video works. Focus on clear, direct copy that speaks to your client's pain point and offers a solution. Include a strong call to action. Launch your campaign with a small daily budget. $5 to $10 is enough to start. Let it run for a few days before making changes. The algorithm needs time to learn. This process, from setup to launch, can be done in a focused week. Ads aren't magic, but they can accelerate your growth. Now let's make sure you're tracking what matters. You've planned, created, and launched. Now it's time to track and optimize. Set aside an hour each week to review your key metrics. For content, look at watch time and engagement. For ads, check click-through rates and cost per click. Don't drown in data. Focus on 2 or 3 numbers that matter. Use what works, tweak what doesn't. This cycle of launching, tracking, and improving never ends. And that's how you grow. Expect ups and downs, but every result is feedback, not failure. From planning to launch, expect 3 to 4 months of steady effort. It's not instant, but it's worth it. Every step is an investment in your future freedom and fulfillment. You're building an asset, not just a side hustle. The time will pass anyway. Why not build your dream? You've got this.